Today is March 10, 2019. Just regarding one more time the Chevrolet Traverse still with the same issue. Um, let's try it. Oh, here is the last. Oh my god, I can. Here is the last tag number that I got at the dealership. Alright, let's try it one more time. Let's go reverse. Go reverse. Let's go reverse. As you can see, the issue is still there. I just decided to move the car anymore because I'm pretty scared about this because something can get broken because the high vibration. Let's go back. Let's go forward. Let's go back again. Let's go forward. Most time. Let's go back. Let's go forward. Let's go back. Let's go forward. Let's go back. Let's forward for one more time. So as you can see, the issue still there. It's not gone. It's not going. Um, I don't think. I think that I'm pretty sure that this issue is something related to design issue. But I mean, with this high vibration, um, something can get broken in the car, and if I am at a high speed in the highway, um, I something bad can happen anytime. So I just pretty scared now to drive it. like too much. In the last days, I drove it like 2 3 miles. I think that maybe 5 miles to charge the battery because I have it for like 3 weeks without moving it at all, without tuning it on to get the battery charged. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.